Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate website tracking with Hotjar, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate website tracking with Hotjar, begin by creating a Hotjar account.
Visit the Hotjar website and click on the Sign Up button.
Fill out the required information and verify your email address.
Once logged in, you'll be prompted to set up your first site. Enter your website URL in the designated field. Select the type of site you're tracking, whether it's a website, app, or e-commerce platform. After that, you'll be directed to the dashboard where you can explore various tracking options. To set up tracking, navigate to the Site section in the left sidebar. Click on Add Site if you have multiple websites to track.
Select the site you wish to automate tracking for. Next, you need to install the Hotjar tracking code.
In the dashboard, find the Tracking Code section.
Hotjar will generate a code snippet for you. Copy this code snippet to your clipboard.
Now, go to your website's content management system or HTML editor. Paste the tracking code into the header section of your website's HTML. Make sure it's placed before the closing /head tag. Save your changes and publish the site. Once the tracking code is installed, return to your Hotjar dashboard. Here, you can set up specific tracking features such as heat maps, recordings, and surveys. To create a heat map, select the Heat Maps option from the sidebar. Click on the New Heat Map button. Provide a name for your heat map and specify the URL you wish to track. Customize the settings as needed and click Create Heat Map. For user recordings, navigate to the Recordings section. Enable the recording feature by clicking on the toggle button. You can also set filters to focus on specific events or user segments. For surveys, go to the Surveys section and click on New Survey. Design your survey by adding questions and defining when it should appear to users. Ensure you customize the targeting options for better results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.